Hello friends, I'm Emrata. I am Binance affiliate long years, This is my another video. On this video, I want to show you new listed coin, crypto, agency, how to buy and sell. Firstly, we need to create an account on Binance Global. In this video info section and in this article, you will see my code, GETBESTBONUS. You see here, this is my name, my surname, my photo here. I'm real Binance affiliate. You see, long years. So, on this page, what we can do, we need to fill this form with Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account, or email, or your phone number. So, with this code, GETBESTBONUS, and how it's work? When you use this code, up to 20% trade rebates you will have, plus 19,800 USA dollar potential bonus you will have. You have task and you will complete this. I will show you in video. So, we have created account. What is next stage? With your mobile phone, you must approve your account. In 30 seconds, it's so easy. Follow steps. So, we have completed KYC, account approval. Okay, now how to deposit money to Binance. Here, mobile same, by the way, I am showing now desktop. Click deposit, select your currency, which country you are living in. For example, USD, I want to show you. Buy with USD. I clicked. On this page, you will pay Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, GPay. Easy. Firstly, we need stable coin. If you want, you will buy here, so easy. This is easy buy and sell section on Binance Global. For example, click here firstly, select your card. It's showing one Tether, how much cost here you will see. I click confirm, for example. So, I want buy agency. Agency I found, you see. For example, 1,000 USA dollar. With 1,000 USA dollar, I will get this agency, you see. And after click buy agency. So easy. For selling same, click to sell and follow the steps. So I want to show you in market how to buy agency and buy and sell. We need stable coin, USDT, USDC, which one you want buy. For example, I want to show you Tether. 1,000 USA dollar. With 1,000 USA dollar, I will get this because extra payments, others, blah blah blah. So click buy USDT. Now I have 1,000 Tether, for example. Where is market area? Now I'm coming market area. I have clicked markets. Here spot. When you click spot, you will see all spot trade opportunities here. Here already agency. It's easy way, but I want to show you normal way. There is section new. I click new and agency already here. And I click here, trade here. Now I'm in agency USDT trade page. Information about agency, rank, market capitalization, volume, supply. So for new traders, maybe when you see this screen you will afraid what is this? But I want to show you this. Red colors sellers, green colors buyers, my friends. And this is current price. For example, we have 1,000 USA dollar. For fast buying, I'm coming here. I click first red one and price came here and 1,000 USA dollar. With 1,000 USA dollar, I will buy this agency. Click buy. Easy. For selling, now we have agency. Click here, green months. I clicked, current price came here and click sell agency. Buying and selling, so easy. So, if you have question, please on comment section write to me. I can do my best. Thanks for your time. If you want, you can visit my website too. Enjoy my referral code. And by the way, I will give this information. For example, you created account with my referral code. Remember, how we get this bonus. Now I have 1,000 USA dollar. I bought 1,000 USA dollar AIGENSYN, and I sold 1000 USA dollar again, AIGENSYN. Total 2000 USA dollar. I have created volume. When you created your new account on Binance Global, system automatically will give you your task. For example, for 10 days in, you will get 100,000 USA dollar volume. How you get this volume? Now I showed you. You know, buy and sell, but don't forget, when you buying, selling, in this progress you paying some commission. İşte this code working in this point. You will get your commission payment 20% kickback, commission cashback. Do you understood? Easy. Yes, my friends, today I want to show you this: how to buy and sell agency, how to use referral code, how to deposit money to Binance Global, how to complete your account approval. Many thanks. See you another video. Emre Ata.